Under the Georgia Constitution and OCGA, if a judge is presiding without a valid statutory oath or bond, and the sheriff's office is presented with certified records and statutes demonstrating this violation, the sheriff is obligated to act if probable cause of a crime is established. Here's how this scenario could play out under the law. Relevant OCGA and constitutional provisions. 10453-1 requires public officers, including judges, to take and file oaths of office and, in certain cases, provide bonds before performing their duties. If these requirements are not met, their actions are unauthorized by law. 2. OCGA 610-1 addresses criminal penalties for public officers who fail to perform required duties, which could include acting without a valid oath or bond. 3. OC 1020, false statements in writings, could be relevant if the judge knowingly took office without fulfilling these statutory obligations. Sheriff's obligation. If certified evidence is presented showing that the magistrate judge is presiding without a required oath or bond, this would substantiate a violation of the law. In this case, the sheriff would have probable cause to investigate the matter further to confirm the accuracy of the evidence, arrest the individual, as acting in a judicial capacity without the required qualifications constitutes a violation of the law under OCGA, which could lead to criminal charges such as unauthorized practice or official misconduct. Constitutional considerations. Article 5, Section 3 of the Georgia Constitution grants the sheriff the authority to enforce the law, including violations by public officials. Equal protection. If a crime has been committed, the sheriff cannot selectively choose who to arrest. If the evidence shows a violation, the sheriff has a duty to apply the law equally, regardless of the position of the person involved. What could stop the sheriff? Political influence or internal policies. While not a legal limitation, in practice, sheriffs may sometimes hesitate to arrest public officials without clearance from higher authorities or legal counsel. This could stem from the potential implications of arresting a sitting judge. Further verification needed. The sheriff may seek further legal consultation to ensure the matter is handled correctly, given the high-profile nature of the individual involved, i.e. a judge, even if probable cause is present. In conclusion, under OCGA and the Georgia Constitution, the sheriff should be bound by duty to arrest the judge if the evidence substantiates a violation of law. There is no legal obstacle preventing the sheriff from making an arrest if the requirements of probable cause and criminal statute violation are met.